Previously, the boys were RV living the Cali life.
We're in Absolut Park. It's the end of the season. It's our last session of the year, and they asked me what they should build for us, pretty much. And I just wanted to have something that is the essence of snowboarding, something that everybody can relate to, just like a big jib garden, a lot of skate features, and a lot of fun things to shred. And when I saw the setup, the park was insanely big, so
it's just kind of cool to bring like a bigger crew together and just to have like the feeling of riding like how it's supposed to be.
Way more relaxed. Like here we have fun. This is more like, this is real snowboarding for me.
It's such a good time, you know, just like cruising around, and I met these new guys and it's so fun.
Yeah, it was fun the first time and it's even more fun the second time.
When they built this, they asked me if I wanted to be like shut down, that the public can't ride it, and I was like, hell no, you know, like everybody has the chance to ride this setup. So I would like to thank everybody for watching the episodes this year, and for us it's been the most fun we could ever have, and hopefully you guys feel that, and yeah, I'll see you guys next year.